Tired of stepping into a freezing bathroom in the morning? Today, we're checking out the best plug-in space heaters that will keep your bathroom warm and cozy in seconds. In this video, we'll review top-rated, safe, and compact heaters perfect for bathrooms. Make sure to check out the links in the description below for the latest prices and deals. So let's get started. Experience quick and efficient heating in small indoor spaces with a compact wall-mounted design that saves floor space. The Mitlink space heater delivers warmth to rooms up to 100 square feet, combining energy efficiency with quiet operation. Equipped with an electronic thermostat, this heater allows precise temperature adjustments from 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, automatically maintaining your desired comfort. Its LED display and timer feature support 1 to 12-hour programming for auto on-off scheduling, enhancing convenience and energy savings. The forced air heating system ensures rapid warmth without disturbing the room's ambiance. The compact cabinet-style build, 6.5 inches in depth by 4.3 inches in width by 2.8 inches in height, is lightweight and portable, weighing just 13.4 ounces, making it easy to move between bedrooms, offices, or dorms. Customers praise its quiet performance, fast heating, and modern aesthetic that blends seamlessly with any interior. Many appreciate the remote control functionality, allowing adjustments from a distance. Its low-wattage design prevents circuit overload, making it ideal for mild climates or smaller spaces where energy efficiency is important, and provides reliable warmth without occupying floor space. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, or dens, this plug-in heater delivers fast and reliable warmth for small to medium-sized rooms up to 250 square feet. The Ontel handy heater is compact yet powerful, with a ceramic convection heating system providing 800 watts of efficient heat output. Its programmable thermostat allows temperature adjustments between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, while a 12-hour timer supports customizable auto shutoff for convenience and energy savings. The sleek turbo heat design fits directly into a wall outlet, reducing clutter and eliminating the need for cords. Safety features include cool touch housing, auto shutoff, and a stable wall-mounted form factor, ensuring worry-free operation. Users report that the heater warms up quickly, sometimes in under a minute, and find it effective in bathrooms and small offices. While most appreciate the quiet operation, some mention it can be slightly noisy at higher settings. The lightweight 1.2-pound build enhances portability, and its intuitive LED display simplifies control. Overall, the Ontel handy heater is praised for energy efficiency, reliability, and a compact design that doesn't compromise heating power. Deliver warmth in seconds with a small portable heater that excels in personal indoor spaces. The Mitlink mini plug-in heater features a high-quality ceramic PTC heating plate for rapid heat output, warming rooms up to 100 square feet almost instantly. Its adjustable thermostat provides precise temperature control from 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, while the LED display and 1 to 12-hour timer function allow users to program heating schedules with ease. The compact 2.8 by 4.3 by 6.5-inch design is lightweight at only 0.88 pounds, making it ideal for bedrooms, dorms, or personal workspaces. The 180-degree rotating wall plug adds convenience and portability without occupying floor space. Built for safety, it operates at low wattage to avoid overloading circuits and maintain energy efficiency. Users highlight its quiet performance, fast heating, and practical remote control features. Many note the heater's excellent value for money and effectiveness in warming small areas quickly. Although a few users mention stability issues with some outlets, the majority appreciate its sleek, compact design, reliable performance, and suitability for small indoor spaces, making it a dependable heating solution for winter. Enjoy consistent warmth in compact spaces with a wall-mounted heater designed for fast heating and quiet operation. The Znokin space heater indoor uses ceramic radiant technology with a 450-watt power output, quickly raising the temperature in rooms up to 100 square feet. Its tower-style build features an independent, adjustable back support bracket for stability, preventing tilting during use while maintaining proper airflow. The electronic thermostat allows temperature settings between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and a programmable 1 to 12-hour timer ensures convenience and energy efficiency. Two airflow speed settings combined with the intuitive LED display simplify operation, while remote control enhances accessibility. Safety is prioritized with flame-retardant materials, overheat protection, and low-power design that reduces electricity costs. Users report satisfaction with its heat output and compact design, especially for bathrooms and dorm rooms. Noise levels are generally low, around 35 decibels, making it suitable for work or study environments. Overall, the Znokin space heater combines portability, safety, and fast heating, offering reliable warmth for small spaces without compromising on energy efficiency or user convenience. Designed for modern indoor spaces, this compact tower heater provides efficient warmth while saving energy and space. The upgrade Smart Plug-in Wall Space Heater delivers up to 450 watts of ceramic PTC heating, quickly warming areas up to 100 square feet. It includes an adjustable thermostat from 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit and 2 speed settings to maintain consistent comfort. The built-in LED display and timer function allow scheduling for up to 12 hours, while the Smart Chip ensures energy-efficient operation by adjusting output according to room temperature. Its 4.3 by 2.8 by 6.5-inch design is lightweight and wall-mounted, eliminating clutter from cords and saving floor space. The heater's low-wattage operation prevents circuit overloads, and overheat protection enhances safety. Customers appreciate its portability, quiet performance, and suitability for bathrooms, offices, and dorm rooms. While most users praise the reliable heat output and ease of use, some note the warmth may be limited for larger rooms. Overall, this smart wall heater is convenient, efficient, and ideal for small indoor spaces requiring fast, adjustable heating. Compact and convenient, this plug-in space heater provides consistent warmth while maintaining energy efficiency for smaller rooms. The Smart Thermostat space heater features a forced air system with low wattage operation, 350 to 450 watts, and an adjustable digital thermostat ranging from 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Its LED display and 1 to 12-hour timer allow precise temperature control and scheduling for auto on-off operation. Designed for quiet operation, it heats rooms up to 100 square feet without disturbing sleep or work. The wall-mounted form factor saves floor space, and the 180-degree rotating plug enhances flexibility in tight spaces. Safety is reinforced with low-wattage design to prevent circuit overloads, along with cool-touch surfaces and overheat protection. Users note that the heater warms bathrooms and small offices effectively, with many appreciating the auto on-off function and compact design. While heat output may be modest for larger rooms, it is considered ideal for personal spaces or supplemental heating. Overall, the Smart Thermostat space heater offers convenience, energy efficiency, and reliable warmth in a discreet and portable design. Thanks for watching. Stay warm and safe with these top bathroom plug-in heaters. Don't forget to check the description for links, reviews, and the latest deals. See you next time.